Hello my friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video I am going to introduce you my D Bluetooth speakers. I have a lot of Bluetooth speakers and I will introduce them and test their sounds. I want you to choose the best one, which one is the best among my D Bluetooth speakers. So let's start with the smallest to the biggest one. Okay, the first one is this. I've just named my Bluetooth speakers from my name of the channel. So I named them. This is, for example, this is JOE1, JOE1, and this one is JOE2, JOE3, JOE4. I named the Bluetooth speaker just from my name of the channel. So this is 5 watt, very small but very powerful, rechargeable Bluetooth speaker. You can charge the Bluetooth speaker with Type-C with your mobile phone charger, and its charge is last for about 1 day or maybe a little bit more according to the level of the sound. Now we are going to test its sound.
Bluetooth connected.
This is my second Bluetooth speaker, JOE2. This is 3 watt, 2 channel. Each channel is 3 watt Bluetooth speaker. This is very pretty nice, very little but powerful amplifier. As you see, it's again rechargeable. You can charge this Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone charger and turn off, turn on switch here. Now we are going to test its sound. As you see, my friend, it has a really very nice, very great sound. So let's move on to the next one. This is my next Bluetooth speaker, and again, it's 2 channel. Each channel is 5 watt, and again, it's rechargeable. As you see, you can recharge here and turn on off switch here. It's very nice. It's very powerful, and it has 5,000 milliamp hour battery inside it. So when you charge this Bluetooth speaker, its charge lasts for about 2 or 3 days according to the music again, and it's really nice Bluetooth speaker. So let's test its sounds, my friends.
Enter to Bluetooth.
Okay, my friends, the next one is JOE4. This is my best Bluetooth speaker. I like this one the most because this is very powerful. This is 100 watt Bluetooth speaker, and it has a really great sound. Now we are going to test it. It has also 10,000 milliamp hour battery inside it, so its charging is last for about 1 week. You can use this Bluetooth speaker inside or outdoor. It's very great, very nice Bluetooth speaker. So let's start and listen its sound.
Enter to Bluetooth.
And the next one is this. This is a very huge, very big my Bluetooth speaker. This is a 100 watt Bluetooth speaker, and it has also 10,000 milliamp hour battery inside it. So its charging is also lasts for about 1 week. It has really a great sound. Now listen, it sounds, my friend.
Enter to Bluetooth. Bluetooth connected.
And my friends, finally we are going to test this one. This is my last product. This is very nice, very beautiful, multifunctional Bluetooth speaker. As you see, we have an MP3 Bluetooth module here, and this is 2 channel. Each channel is 20 watt, but it has a really great sound, and it has also FM radio function, aux input, and also you can play MP3 player port from this Bluetooth speaker. Behind it I have a very big passive radiator here, so this is increase the bass of our Bluetooth speaker. Now we are going to test this one. It has also a remote control, so we can control our speaker with this remote control. Turn it on. Okay, my friends, we get the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please write in the comments which Bluetooth speaker is the best one, which one is your favorite, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, my friends, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video, my friends.